it's me, Miss Hillary. I'm part of Playfield Preschool Kemang team.
Today, I would like to show you our school environment and how excited our learning activities here. Let's go! We have nursery level and kindergarten level. Nursery level is for 2 until 3 years old, and kindergarten level is for 4 until 6 years old. Playfield Preschool implements eclectic curriculum. We apply best practice approaches and concept for early childhood program. They are play-based, character building through sport and national curriculum. Our continuum learning goals are divided into 6 categories: religion and moral value, language and literacy development, physical development, music and movement, cognitive development, also creative development. We are ready to welcome your children to join with our program. They will gain warm, positive, and memorable experience. See you at Playfield Preschool Kemang, a great place to grow!